have something to say now.
I'm fine. I know summer will be here, but...
Yeah, we need the water.
Yeah.
You hate to have the people
I like
down at the flood.
jackets on every now
Yeah,
and again, you know?
I got one from the windbreaker. I should rip it out and let me see, but I just feel bad for all the people.